I suck BBs. It'll take you a year.
I don't want to suck BB, right? Well, the freaking window is out. Can I get the sriracha fries?
We don't have the sriracha no more.
What?
I'm just gonna go to the other freaking Wendy's. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
No.
Yes?
Why?
Because another freaking Wendy's have the sriracha fries.
No.
You want the baconator fries?
Why did you get the ranch?
The what?
The ranch.
Did I think I'm a freaking idiot? I'm sorry, we're back.
What did it help you?
Did you say something about ranch with
The
fries?
ranch. Chicken and bacon ranch.
Yes, it's the bacon French fries and the baconator fries
The ranch.
that we have.
Can I get the ranch ones?
Okay?
Yeah, that's it.
So that'll be $2.15. Second one, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
2,000 years later.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh, your fork.
Better.
They have freaking ranch. They have this white cheese. And they have bacon. Ooh. Ooh.
These are better than the sriracha ones.
Ooh, these are good.
Freaking good.
They said $2.15. Yeah, dude, I would get these. They're freaking good.
These are better than the baconator fries, the sriracha fries,
We didn't even try the bacon.
the the cheese bacon beer fries. Just the right amount of sauce. You can see it's not drenched in it. Cheese is nice, warm. Really, really good. Really good. Look at that, man.
Shout out to my friend Oscar Villarreal. To my friend Misael Martinez. To these three guys called the Journeymen. You know, the Journeymen. They have this channel on YouTube.
They post about their daily lives. They vlog.
It's like, imagine a bunch of Vine videos of other people, not them, other people being funny. If you don't believe me, go to Journeyman. I'll put the link in the description. Click on it and watch the video about, I don't know.
You have the wrong number. You're trying to reach my dad. I don't know who that is.
Oh yeah. Go watch the snowball fight. You know what? Go watch all of their videos. We will make those videos funny. Not even joking. Go look at it.
Just bash on him.
No, I'm saying it because they're gonna freaking try to copy us. We told them, oh, we're gonna put a food review. And like, oh yeah, bro, we're thinking on doing the same thing.
I understand
I don't.
that some people might have the same ideas as others at the same time, but this is kind of fishy. Because as soon as they saw my Snapchat story, they started doing the same thing. They asked me, what did I get? They asked me from where did I get it? And you know what? A couple minutes after, maybe to an hour, they got the same thing. They did the same thing. They want to be Chris. Nobody could come next to Chris.
Okay, guys, comment. You're making too much noise.
2,000 years later.
Comment
Share this video with your friends.
Yeah, share this video with your friends. Like it. If
And
you want,
don't forget,
yeah.
tell us what we should review next. Get on my way. Did you end it?
Oh.